day
Oh
because they
God.
think you are first rate. And you know, all your future birthdays will be sincerely great because there's nobody like you, babe, like nobody we know. Everything about you
Oh,
is
you guys so
appealing, even what the public won't allow. And that is precisely why I'm stealing this moment to tell you now. There's nobody like you, babe, your team.
Off the chain.
Say, they have always known you to be a star. A class act is what you are. And it's very clear that you will go far. So, happy, happy birthday. Happy 30th, Abraham, from your team. Now, I'm sure the question on everyone's mind, though, is, are you still a spring chicken?
Spring chicken?
And the best way to prove that is to do a chicken dance with me.
No.
Not taking it too quick.
No. Adam can do a chicken dance.
Can't do the chicken dance, eh?
Yeah, flap a little bit.
All right.
There you go, flap a little bit. There you go.
Maybe you gotta do it with her.
Oh my God.
Come on, one time with the chicken. One time with the chicken.
I'll do a chicken dance. How you do this?
Okay.
Okay, there you go. You guys got me all sweaty now.
All right, now it's not done.
Thank you.
You are so welcome. We should get a couple of still photos for Facebook, though.
Sure, let's take a picture.